Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this three-piece structure sleeve. Now I have drafted my basic pattern. Now let us start with the structure. Measure 6 inches at the top, yeah, just as the cap of the sleeve, and you connect it to this place. Just make it curvy. This is 6 inches. Then I'll connect it to it. Now that I've connected it, then I'll measure 1.5 up. That is where I got this. Then I still use my French curve to connect it to that same line. Now I have gotten 2 parts of the sleeve. This is 1, while this one is number 2. So to get the third one, I will need to draft another one. Let me cut out this one first. Now to get the upper part of it, which is that cap side, you need to measure out just the length of the armhole. Use 8 inches, 8.5 here. But first, then I measure 2 inches. Then at the top, I measure 5 inches here. That is the length of that cap. You can still make it 6 depending on how long you want yours to be. Then we connect it to this place. While this one, you still connect it to this 2, just to get that V nature at that shoulder side. If you watch it, you see that the sewing of the blouse, the sewing of the sleeve did not just start directly from the shoulder. You need to bevel it for the armhole. So let me cut this one out. The shoulder side, while this is the end of the sleeve. Now I'm going to slash here, open it so that I will be able to get that. I will make it, it has to be high. It cannot be exactly the shoulder level. So to bring it up, you need to slash, open it, and put your border. At least it will have to be, slash it with at least 2 to 3 inches. This time I'm using 3 inches. Now this is the third part of it. This is the third, that is number 3. Now I have gotten the 3 parts. This is actually supposed to be the first, while this is the second, while this will be the third. I can still renumber it, which is number 1, number 2, and number 3. The reason is this one will be at the top. That is the one at the cap. When you fold it, this one will be the second one that will be sewn under it, while this one will be the third one that will be sewn under this. So let's go ahead. For the length, depends on how long you want this to be. But for myself, I like here being short. At this time, I use 4 here for mine. But that 4 will be connected to the side. You can fold it and cut. 4. Make sure you do not affect the armpit, so that the thing will go round your armhole and without hooking when you are raising your hands. But for some people that would like their hands to be long, you will include this. Then for this one, we still need to slash here and spread. Still spread it with at least 2 to 3 inches, just to allow you freedom for your sleeve, so that you'll be able to move your hands up and down. So as I open it, I will slash this with 2 inches. I'll now cut it out from the fabric accordingly. Now I have trimmed it out from the fabrics. I decide to use 3 different colors. Now after cutting it, you cut the lining and the interface, because you need to make it strong, to make it strong to come out better for you. So you can use a cloth gum, color stay, depending on how strong you want it to be. You need to join here. If you look at it, this edge now has to be joined with this top. So it has to be joined here, join it here. Then this one now, the third one, will still be joined from here, go down. So I will join it. I'm not going to pad it, I'm not going to put the lining. I will just join it for you to see how the joining is going to be, and you'll see how it will come out after sewing. Now I have joined it. This is the number 1, number 2, and the number 3, if you can see it. Now you will now go back to go and shape your sleeve. Let's assume this is your armhole. Depending on where your armhole stop in your blouse, then you shape to your sleeve, the width of your sleeve. Like mine now, the width of my sleeve is 14, which is 7. So I'm going to shape it 7. Let's assume that this is 10. That is your armhole. If you measure your armhole, you measure the armhole and see what you get. So I'm going to shape here and put it on my dummy so that you see how it will come out.